Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, Jago Kimberly. So today I'm going to do the first tutorial on my mannequin head, a training head I mean. So I hope this angle fits. Today I'm going to do an easy tutorial on this style. It's super easy. So we're going to go ahead. And the things I'm going to do is just this little bow that I got. And I'm going to use these two combs. And I'll be using these rubber bands. Super easy. So the first thing is to comb her hair. We're going to do a high ponytail. I'm going to do a high ponytail like this. Like that. And now we're going to tie it like this. I'm going to do it really, really tight. Because it has to be really tight. Ooh, this is not going to work. Okay. So now that you have a ponytail like this, I'm going to go ahead and brush it. Now you have a ponytail like that. Now what you're going to do is, this is the ponytail. And now we're going to go ahead and grab some rubber bands. These are colorful rubber bands, nothing too fancy. And we're just going to go ahead and grab an orange rubber band. And what we're going to do is going to do like a bubble braid. So you're going to put a rubber band here. And we're going to do like up to like right there. Do another knot. Be careful you don't rip it. And we're gonna do a little like a little bubble. So we're just gonna push like this, make it a bubble, make it as flat as you want or big. And we're gonna add another one like that up here. Just like this, so you guys can see. I'm going to do another one, and we're going to do another one on the bottom. You can do two, you can do more, but I'm just going to do 3. I think 3 is fine. Like that. And stick this in there. And now what we're going to do is we're just going to make the bubbles of the hair. So that is what it looks like. And for accessory, I'm going to go ahead and add this on top so we can hide the ugly elastic. And there you go. I'm going to give you a little spin. I know the hair needs to be a little tighter, but I don't have that right now, but this is what it looks like. And this is what it looks like that. This is what it looks like. Super awesome, and it looks very, very like fancy, and I love it. So this is what it looks like. I love it, and this is super easy hairstyle. The bubbles are so awesome. You can do it with, you can do more bubbles here, but I like to do 3. Super easy style. And you just, this hairstyle also works for short hair and long hair. So if you, this is super easy, and I've done this before to my hair. So it's super cute and I love it. And this is just a nice like accessory to accessorize it so it doesn't look like kind of weird. So I hope you guys enjoy this hair tutorial. Super easy, super simple, and I hope you guys like this tutorial. Give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let me turn you right. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks once again. And I also have a vlogging channel, so go ahead and follow me on that one. I'll put it in the description below. And I hope you guys like this style, and push that notification bell also so you guys won't miss none of my videos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.